They indicated that Columbus was a great city, that we're slamming, that we're great, we got a lot of swagger, and that they're very impressed with who we are, what we are, and what we have to offer. That's what they indicated to me. Then there was a but. The but was Philadelphia won it, but it was a tough decision. And I accept that.
This has definitely raised our stature within the community, particularly with groups that are looking to book Columbus. This helps us get closer and closer to becoming that premier visitor destination.
2020 and beyond, you can guarantee that we're going to be competing for future activities like this, because Columbus can now declare without any doubt that we're on that world stage that can host meetings and conventions with the best of them. And you know, after we dust ourselves off today, I can promise you that we'll be aggressively selling this city tomorrow.
The Democrats are going to win Ohio anyway. That's my prediction. And we're all going to work hard. I'm a Democrat. Everybody knows it. Not everybody up here is a Democrat. That's okay. And not everybody back there is a Democrat. And some of you with pens and pencils are independents. The point is, I think that Democrats can win Ohio. I'll work hard. I think the rest of this community is going to work hard to win Ohio, and I'm confident that the D's will win Ohio in 2016.